my quick tip. Now, this one is just for RVers. You know, usually I try to make it general. I know a lot of our viewers aren't RVers, but this one was just pretty cool. And it's because we are using Elks lodges as places to park a lot. We often use the All Stays app, and we've talked about that several times, but I want you to see RVillage. And what is RVillage? It is a social network just for RVers, kind of like Facebook, but just for RVers. And if you use it, you can find the Elks lodges. And I want to show you RVillage in my travel group. And there it is right there, RVillage. And the first thing you notice is that it knows where we are. No, it doesn't. This is what I'm looking for. So right up here, it says your current location, Elks Lodge, Westminster, Colorado. And that's we told it that. I mean, when we park, one of the first things we do is open RVillage and tell it where we are. And then we can look at that place. It tells us there are 4 other RVillagers in the park right now. That's pretty cool. I can scroll down and read, and here I posted saying that we were here 4 years ago when we did our first What Does This Button Do show. Is that cool? So I put on the feed for this park that we're doing this live show today. So anybody here that took the time to read this feed, and here's somebody that says, welcome to the park. What space are you in? We're up on the hill. We'd like to meet. So we probably will get together with them this afternoon. That is cool. All right. So then here's the key. One of our next upcoming stops is going to be near Colorado Springs. So I want to know, are there Elks lodges with RV parking in Colorado Springs? Here's how I can find it out using RVillage. I tap the menu and then search. So instead of everything, I say RV parks, and in here I put Elks, and it first shows me a listing of all the Elks lodges, but no, I want to see it on a map. There's the map, and I can zoom into Colorado. I see that yes, indeed, there is one in Colorado Springs. If I tap on it and tap where it says Elks Lodge, Colorado Springs, I'll be able to see the same park feed like I did here and read what people are saying about that park. So here's a bunch of information from Jim and Patty, including pictures. That's real nice. So that's my quick tip, finding Elks Lodge RV parking using the RVillage app.
Very cool.